In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import AutoCAD drawing to PowerPoint. We'll keep this simple and precise so you get clean, crisp results inside your slides. Start in AutoCAD with your drawing open. Take a moment to zoom to the area you want, then select only the objects you want to show in PowerPoint. Be intentional here. What you select is exactly what will be exported, so include just the lines, text, and symbols that matter for your presentation. With those objects highlighted, type WMF out into the command line and press Enter. This command exports a Windows meta file, which is a vector format. That means your lines stay sharp in PowerPoint even when you resize them, and you avoid the blur you'd get from a basic screenshot. After you press Enter, AutoCAD will prompt you to choose where to save the file. Pick a location on your computer that you can find easily, like your desktop or a dedicated project folder. Give the file a clear name that describes the content, and make sure the extension shows as .wmf. Saving to a known folder and using a descriptive name will make the next step quick and stress-free. Now, head to the folder where you saved the file and open your PowerPoint application. Have the presentation ready where you plan to place the drawing. With both the folder and PowerPoint visible, click and drag the WMF file from the folder directly into your PowerPoint window. Drop it onto your slide, and PowerPoint will place it as a graphic. Because it's vector-based, it should look neat and professional right away. You'll see selection handles around it, which confirm it's been added to the slide and is ready to display. That's really all there is to it. By selecting just the objects you need in AutoCAD, using the WMFUT command to export a vector file, saving it somewhere obvious, and then dragging and dropping it into PowerPoint, you get a reliable, presentation-ready graphic in just a few clicks. This approach preserves the clarity of your line work and helps your slides look polished without extra cleanup. If you follow these steps, you'll have a smooth, repeatable workflow for moving your drawings into PowerPoint anytime you need. Thanks for watching, and enjoy presenting your AutoCAD content with confidence.